Today, in Indonesia, the improvement of human resources is needed to improve the quality of the country. Great human resources can thoroughly be created through education. Without a good education, there will be no great human resources. Therefore, education must always innovate fit to the needs of the times, and Indonesian students must be able to feel that learning is fun. How? In accordance with our minister program, Merdeka Belajar, students must find talents and interests. In a third field, it will be something fun in learning. We can boost every student's potential, which is different from one to another. Thus, the students will be interested in learning, which surely will impact the quality of human resources. Merdeka Belajar is about the development of character, mindset, and the improvement of students' intelligence to think critically. Still, in Indonesia, education has not been able to follow what is needed in the industry and the development of the times. We fall behind the country which has prepared its education to face the development of the times and industries. Therefore, it's crucial for Indonesian education to pursue the needs of the times and technological developments as preparation for Indonesian students to face the future era. Therefore, education is a crucial thing. For good education which keeps up with the needs of the times and technological developments, Indonesian students will be ready to face the future era. Also, fun learning will have a positive impact on every student. They'll enjoy the learning process because they have an interest in a certain field. Thus, it's necessary for education to adjust the talents and interests of its students. It will help in improving the quality of human resources to be ready to develop, become a better country.
I'm Roghib candidate of Young Generation Education of East Java.